Smash it! Girl, we're gonna work this business! Woo! Knock it out the park! We're gonna have so much fun! So, last year, with Send Out Cards, I can tell you without a doubt, I was not crushing it. I was not killing it. I didn't bury it. I didn't do a lot with it. But let me tell you this. I got my 1099 from Send Out Cards this year. And when I opened it up, I was pleasantly surprised. For somebody who didn't put in a whole lot of time with Send Out Cards, and it wasn't that I didn't want to put in time, things like that. I sincerely, I put in and I sent out and I did things, but I didn't really work the business end of it. I stayed social with it, and I think that's okay. I stayed connected with it, and that's okay too. But I didn't work the business end of it the way most people might see it, where you'd go out there and you'd be crushing it. Pow! You'd be out there just knocking it out of the park. I got my 1099, and with Send Out Cards, barely working with it. Barely. My 1099 was for thousands of dollars received from Send Out Cards. So, if you feel that you don't have time to work your Send Out Cards business, like me, I felt I didn't have the time. But I still, in little moments here and there, was able to do something. Because that needle moved. That needle went. Thousands of dollars on a 1099 from Send Out Cards. Results may vary. Your results might be different. And that's all right too. Never stop. Just don't stop. Just keep pushing forward. Even if it's just that little bit. That extra little bit will get you more money in your pocket. Because who here, I don't know one person that is allergic to cash. Not one person. Nope. Don't know you. Work it just a little bit. You're pushing out there just a little bit in your absolute spare time. And you'll do fine with it. I promise you. I used it a lot last year, more for appreciation than I did for working the business. And let me tell you this. My 1099 was one number. I had a great story that I did an interview with Cody Bateman that talked about how I received $200,000 from somebody because I followed up with them, sent them cards and brownies, talked to them about my movie business, and they invested in me because I followed up with them using this system. It kept the door open. Up to you. I can't say that your results will be the same in any way, shape, or form. But I can say you'll never, ever, ever know. Never. Until you go and until you start, until you try. So if you've thought about, at the very least, building your business, whether you're trying to get some sort of appreciation marketing for the business that you're currently doing. You could be an insurance broker. You could be a real estate agent. You could be a restaurant owner, a bar owner. You could be a hairdresser. You could be, I had an interview with a tree trimmer, a car guy. There's so many ways that you could use this to build and show appreciation for your customers. So many ways. But you got to do it. You have to make the leap. You have to do the little jump. Do a little dance. You know what? Probably don't want to do all the dancing. Play that funky music, why boy. It's all right. We love you guys, and this is just a quick little thing for me. So this year could be absolutely incredible, one way or another. But it's up to you. So if you ever felt that you wanted to work with me, drop me a message. I'll guide you, and I have the team that will even guide you even further. So let's talk. Talk soon.